otra vez, hágase la verga.
I hope he hits that post over there and breaks that shit.
You better not let that shit go, fool.
Martin's about to disappear. Disappear, Martin. Charro. Martin, think faster. It's almost on fire. Faster. Faster. Faster.